I am Chef Christy, and I am so glad that you're watching today. You know, I love this time of year. All the beautiful flowers are starting to bloom, and the grass is getting green, and everything just looks like it's coming back to life. And as we prepare to celebrate the resurrection of Christ and Easter, we're going to gather around the table with our families. And so the recipe that I want to show you today is my delicious Easter ham. Okay, so what I have is about an 8.5 pound smoked bone-in ham, and I'm going to place this into a 350-degree oven for about 12 to 15 minutes per pound. And I have one of these really nice disposable pans that you can just bake it right in there, and that makes it nice. That way when you're finished you can just toss that. But I want to show you real quickly how I'm going to prep my ham. Okay, so what I have done is I am making slices all the way across my ham. I'm going this way and then back the other way, and this will give me a nice diamond design. And then in the center of each diamond I'm going to place a clove, and this gives really wonderful flavor, and it's also it just looks really pretty. And if you don't like clove, I just hope that you give it a try, because it really adds to the flavor of this ham, and it just makes it delicious. Okay, I put the ham in my aluminum pan, the sliced side down, and as you can see, I've got all my slices with the clove, and it already looks really pretty. And then I'm just going to cover this with foil, and I'm going to place this in my 350-degree oven for about an hour, and I'm going to make a Cola Glaze, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. Okay, for the sauce, I have 2 cups of brown sugar in a small saucepan, and then I'm going to pour 12 ounces of cola, and you can even use Coca-Cola or Dr. Pepper even works, and then 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and then I have a spicy brown mustard, and I'm just going to add about 2 tablespoons of the mustard, and I'm just going to let all this come to a boil. Okay, you want to let your glaze just boil and reduce, and it'll take about 20 minutes or so, and you want to just stir periodically until it's a nice thick glaze. Okay, I just pulled my ham out of the oven, so what I'm going to do is just brush this glaze all over, and I'm going to put this back into the oven for about 30 minutes, pull it back out, brush it again, and then it should be just close to being done. And you want all that delicious glaze just to get down into all the cracks, so use a generous amount. It's just so beautiful when it's done. So I'm going to finish this and pop it back in the oven. Okay, the ham is done, and it is beautiful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove these cloves, and then I'm going to slice it, and then I'm going to pour that delicious glaze over that. But I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, I have poured my pan drippings back into my little saucepan, and then what I'm going to do, I've let it come up to a boil, and I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and a tablespoon of water, and then I'm just going to stir this around, and this will make it a nice thick sauce. Okay, I have sliced my ham and placed it on a platter, and then I'm just going to pour this delicious glaze all over the ham, and there you have it. It is that easy, and it is so good. Okay, the Easter ham is all done, and it is so good. I hope that you try this. And I also have my Brussels sprout and corn medley and my garlic and Parmesan potato stacks. And I will put the links of those recipes below. And I hope that you enjoyed watching all my recipes this week for your Easter meal. And I hope that you consider to subscribe to my channel. It has been fun cooking for you. And I hope that you have a very blessed and happy Easter.